Hello and welcome to CDX Technologies. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to calculate driving distances or driving times between two or more locations in Microsoft Excel using a straightforward formula. This functionality leverages the Google Maps API through our CDXZipStream software. All you need is a Google Maps API key. There's no need to learn complex VBA or use rigid pre-formatted templates. Simply input the formula directly into your spreadsheet whenever you need driving distance analysis. Our CDXZipStream software seamlessly integrates with Google Maps to provide detailed route data. You can use postal codes, cities, or full addresses as location inputs. This versatile formula supports up to 100 stops per trip, offers route optimization, generates directions, and even allows you to embed route maps directly in your spreadsheet. Let's open Microsoft Excel and walk through how to use the CDXRouteGoogle formula. This is the function we use to calculate driving distance in Excel. We've already installed CDXZipStream on this computer, as indicated by its presence in Excel's top menu. Here's the simplest way to enter the CDXRouteGoogle formula. Right-click on a blank cell, select CDXZipStream functions from the menu, and then choose CDXRouteGoogle from the list. This opens a dialog box where you can enter two addresses for your route. The addresses can be detailed like street addresses or more general such as zip codes or city names. For example, enter 2 West Hanover Avenue, Randolph, New Jersey as the first address, and then enter the zip code 07801, which corresponds to Dover, New Jersey as the second address. Next, choose the option for driving distance in miles and set the travel type to driving. There are additional travel types such as walking and bicycle that you can select as Google alternatives. Once you've filled in the details, simply click OK. The locations are sent to Google Maps and the result is displayed. In this example, the calculated driving distance is 5.35 miles. In the formula bar, you'll see the CDXRouteGoogle function along with its parameters. The first parameter is 0, which specifies driving distance in miles. The second parameter is also 0, indicating the travel type is set to driving. These are followed by the two addresses you entered. One of the key advantages of using Excel for this type of calculation is its scalability. You can easily apply the formula to a list of addresses by copying and pasting it across cells. Let's now consider a common logistics scenario, calculating driving distance from one fixed address to all zip codes within a specific county. Let's first create a new worksheet for the analysis. Use the CDXZipList function to generate a list of zip codes for Morris County, New Jersey. We'll now right-click on the first blank cell and select the CDXRouteGoogle function. Instead of entering the address text, let's reference the first zip code in column C4 for the first address. For the second address, let's use a fixed location such as 07869. We'll now copy the formula down the list to calculate distances for all zip codes in the county. We'll use the auto copy function to simplify it and speed up this process. CDXZipStream offers powerful capabilities for advanced calculations, such as calculating routes for up to 100 addresses in a single operation, optimizing waypoints to minimize travel time. This uses a built-in ant colony optimization algorithm to reduce travel distances. It can also generate trip reports that include driving distances, times, route assumptions, and maps. Here is an example of a trip report. First, let's add a new sheet for the report. Then let's copy in a list of test addresses. We'll now select the location for the report and start the CDXRouteGoogle dialog. We can specify the address range instead of the address text. In this case, the range is C4 through C10. Make sure your route calculation is trip summary in miles and the driving type is a drive. And then simply press the OK button. This creates a complete report summarizing distance and time, the waypoints, the order of the waypoints, and a travel distance map. All of this was done in just a single step. We've only scratched the surface of what CDXZipStream can do. For more information, visit us at www.cdxtech.com. A free demo, templates, and technical details are available. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at support@cdxtech.com.